So welcome back, since I haven't seen you since winter break. So this week in lab, we're going to finish up experiment 20. So we're going to do part C. In lab this week, you'll have your last quiz in lab this week. Next week, the students that are taking just come 256A, not the B, you will check out, and the 256B students will go to the library after we do a discussion of experiment 20 data, and then we have evaluation. So this is actually the first part, the discussion and evaluations, and then you guys will split apart next week, depending on what you are doing. But before that, do not forget, next week, Monday, right now, we will all be taking the midterm exam together in this room. So from 4 to 5 next week, next Monday, the 24th, in this room is the exam. So at the very end, I'll be going over the practice exam I gave you 2 weeks ago. Make sure you bring pencils, erasers, calculator, and a ruler to the exam. You need all of these pieces, okay? If you have ASC or DAR paperwork that you need filled out for the exam, make sure you see me. I am the one that's administering all that, so make sure you see me ASAP, okay? All right, so let's kind of